saysay ng aking boses. Ang takot ang husgahan, di ba? Na sa bawat araw, ay binabangungot ako ng gising. Na sa bawat araw, ay nahihirapan akong huminga. Na sa bawat araw, ay pinilipa nila ako para lang sa kanilang pansariling kaligayahan. Ako isang biktima rin ng pambubuli. Palagi kong tinatanong sa isip ko, kaya mo pa ba?
Hello, Ma. Ma, kamusta naman? Ano yan sa'yo, Ma? Okay ka sa'yo.
Anak, ito na ba ako? Kamusta naman school mo?
School namin, nakatayo pa rin naman.
Oo, talaga. Ikaw kasi tinatanong ko.
Ito, Ma. Maayos naman. Masaya naman. Kaso, naman, maraming gawain sa school. Pagod.
Mamaya, nag-girlfriend ka din, ha?
Boyfriend? Baka boyfriend ka mo.
Sige, muna kami. Baka mali
Sige,
ka.
alas na, baka mali na ako. Bye.
Go back to your practice in school. Nalang kayo manukuhan. Tahimik na. Today we're going to discuss about bullying. Anyone, do you have any idea about bullying? Yes, Diego. Yes, tama. Kadalasan ng mga kabataan ang pinagmumulat at nakakaranas nito. Sa tingin nyo, bakit nga ba may namubuli? Well, sometimes your jokes are funny and you do make the whole class laugh.
True, that's why bullying, joking is so fun.
Mag-ingat lang kayo sa mga sabihin nyo kasi pwede kayo makasakit ng damdamin ng iba. So, goodbye class!
Uy! Nakasabi ng isa. Napaalala ko na kayo.
Exactly, napakapapansin, pero tignan mo yung ilong, pango. Hi,
Uy,
sis!
sis, kamusta?
Nakita mo ba yung post ni Tiffany tsaka ni Althea kagabi?
Hindi. Ano pa meron doon?
Ay naku, kung ako sa'yo, i-check mo muna.
Sige. Anong meron? Baka hindi naman ako yung pinari-ingan nila nila. Baka ibang tao na ako.
Sure ka ba? Kasi di ba kahapon, punteriya ka nila?
Hindi, baka ano lang yan. Simpay ka magkalitan lang. Pero baka iba naman pinaparikan nila.
Sa bagay. Sige na sis, punta pa ako ng kantin eh. Bye-bye!
Sige, sis, bye-bye. Ingat ka.
True! Napakapapansin. Attention seeker. Actually, bakla talaga siya. Ayaw niya nang aminin kasi di siya tanggap ng pamilya niya.
When he got home, there was no one there. No one to talk to, no one to understand what he was feeling. So he cried, alone in the silence of their home.
Bukas pa kaya di na makakailan pagsubok aming pinagdaan. Maraming pag-asang pinaawa ka. May awa ang Diyos. May awa
The bullying still continues at school. The bullies still make fun of him, using him as source of amusement in front of the whole class.
Yes na kayo? Alis! Bakla na lang, may kape ka na. Ayaw. Ayan! Mukha ka ng Harley Quinn. Nabangat!
Boy leaves the classroom and heads straight to the restroom. He looks at his face in the mirror. Tears filling his eyes, he wipes away the makeup, feeling the weight of everything that's happened. He knew he couldn't stay silent any longer. It was time to speak up.
Miss,
Oh, ano ba yun? Please make it quick. Busy ako.
Miss, may gusto ko kasi akong sabihin.
Ano yun?
Binubuli po kasi ako ng mga classmate ko.
Sure ka ba dyan? Maybe you're just messing around with each other.
Miss, kung katuwa lang, bakit
Wait, I told you I'm busy. We'll talk about this later. Let's go for now, okay?
Boy enters the house, his spirit broken and his mind exhausted. He sits down, feeling the weight of everything. His mother is busy taking care of household chores, too busy to check up on her son. Jeboy couldn't bear the weight of the day anymore. He wished someone would ask how he was doing, but no one seemed to notice. His mother is busy with the household, leaving him to deal with his pain alone.
Sis, kamusta ka naman?
Oo naman.
Sure ka ba okay ka? Ito naman ginawa nila sa'yo. Kung ako sa'yo, isama mo na sa public authorities para naman matulungan ka nila.
Actually, kasi nag-try na ako sabi sa teachers, sa mga faculties, kaso hindi ako pinakinggan.
Eh di, mamaya, subukan natin. Try natin ulit para matulungan ka na nila.
Sige, try na.
Sige, ako pupuntahan pa ako eh.
Sige, ingat ka.
Jeboy couldn't bear the weight of the day anymore. Jeboy's hopeful idea solution was crushed before he even had a chance. The wrongers heard his plea and now the police are coming for him.
Hindi ka nga dito. O, ilan ka. O, dito nga. Di ba? Kasumpong-sumpong ka? Kasi hindi ka makapala. Matapang ka. Sagot! Sagot! Ano? Ano? They threw him to the floor, laughing as they left him behind, broken and humiliated. Everyone walks into the classroom, completely expressionless. There's no reaction on his face, as if all life has been drained out of it. The classroom is in chaos. Students laughing, shouting, throwing crumpled paper everywhere. But Jeffrey remains still silent, untouched by the noise around him.
Parang tinig mo, ano ba nangyari? Uy, ano ka ba? Magsalita! Ano nangyari? What? Baliw na siya.
The bullies gang up on Jeffrey. They pull his hair.
Stop him!
Ano ba talaga naman sa inyo?
Going to the kitchen. He looks defeated and broken. He slowly takes out the kitchen knife, staring at it deep thought. I need to protect myself, so they'll finally stop bullying me, so they'll be afraid to touch me again. This is for me. Jeboy enters their classroom, noticeably late. He walks in quietly, head down and trying not to be noticed. The students continue their antics, but the bullies notice him and exchange a smile.
Ba't late ka? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Parang gutom na yung kaibigan ko. Parang meron na ako ng bag ko. Ano to? Ba't may kutsilo sa bag mo? Napaka-weirdo mo talaga to. Susubukan na kay Ma.
Ang nangyayari dito? Anak, seriously, Jeboy? Is that even true? Akin yung bag mo kayo na. The teacher confiscated everyone. The teacher confiscated the bag and the knife and was ready to head to the guidance office. However, Jeboy lost his sanity. Filled with so much frustration, he suddenly ran toward the teacher's desk. His vision darkened, and in a moment of rage, he stabbed the bully who had tormented him. Jeboy successfully stabbed the bully who fell to the floor and couldn't move. Just then, the school guard who had been called for help rushed in and stopped Jeboy. I am not a bad person, and I never intended to take a life. Yes, killing is wrong. But what about me? Where is the justice for people like me? Those who experience violence, it's not easy for me to go to school when I am in front of payoff. I am a victim too, and I can't live this way anymore. I'm sorry for everything. Who is the real victim?